Deep in the heart of South America, amidst the lush and vibrant landscapes, lies a world teeming with life. Here in the wetlands and marshy areas, a remarkable creature roams freely, embodying the spirit of this diverse ecosystem. This is the capybara, the largest rodent on Earth. With its gentle demeanor and unique characteristics, the capybara stands out as a fascinating subject of study and admiration. The capybara, often referred to as the water hog, is a semi-aquatic mammal that thrives in the wetlands. Its webbed feet and dense fur make it an excellent swimmer, allowing it to navigate through water with ease. Don't let the word rodent fool you though. Unlike its smaller relatives, the capybara is a social and highly intelligent animal, often seen interacting with a variety of other species, from birds to small mammals. The capybara is no ordinary rat or squirrel. It is a creature of remarkable size and presence, often weighing up to 140 pounds and standing about 2 feet tall at the shoulder. This animal is a giant, a gentle giant with a peaceful nature and a surprising charm. Its calm and friendly demeanor has made it a beloved figure in both the wild and in human care. Capybaras are known for their social behavior, often living in groups of 10 to 20 individuals. These groups provide safety and companionship, showcasing the capybara's strong social bonds and cooperative nature. The capybara is a truly unique animal, captivating both scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Its ability to adapt to various environments from dense forests to open grasslands highlights its versatility and resilience. Researchers are particularly interested in the capybara's social structures and communication methods. These animals use a range of vocalizations from purrs to whistles to convey messages within their groups. Its large size, social behavior, and semi-aquatic lifestyle make it a fascinating subject of study. Observing capybaras in their natural habitat provides valuable insights into their daily lives and interactions. Join us as we delve into the world of the capybara, exploring its characteristics, habitats, and its growing popularity as a companion animal. From its diet of grasses and aquatic plants to its role in the ecosystem, the capybara's story is one of adaptation and survival. Whether in the wild or as a cherished pet, the capybara continues to enchant and inspire those who encounter it. Stay with us as we uncover the many facets of this extraordinary creature, revealing why it holds a special place in the hearts of many. Imagine a rodent, but not the kind that fits in your hand. Picture a creature that is much larger, almost like a small dog, but with a unique charm all its own. This is the capybara, the world's largest rodent. The capybara can grow up to 4 feet long. To put that into perspective, that's about the length of a medium-sized dog or even a small child. Their impressive size is one of the first things that strikes you when you see them in person. That's bigger than some dogs. Imagine walking your dog and encountering a capybara. It would be quite the sight. Their size alone makes them stand out in the animal kingdom. They are stout and barrel-shaped with short reddish-brown fur. This fur is coarse and helps them stay dry when they are in and out of the water. Their fur color can vary slightly, but it generally provides excellent camouflage in their natural habitat. Their weight can range from a hefty 28 kilograms to a massive 75 kilograms. That's equivalent to carrying around a large bag of dog food or even a small adult human. This weight helps them stay grounded and stable, especially when they are swimming. That's like having a small adult human walking around on 4 legs. Their robust build and significant weight make them well suited for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. They can move gracefully both on land and in water. Their most distinctive feature is their large, blunt head with small ears and eyes set high on their skull. This unique head structure is not just for show, it serves a very practical purpose. This adaptation allows them to keep a watchful eye out for predators while swimming. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned in such a way that they can stay mostly submerged, making them less visible to potential threats. This makes them excellent swimmers and helps them evade predators in their watery habitats. Capybaras are also highly social animals, often found in groups. Their physical characteristics, combined with their social nature, make them fascinating creatures to observe in the wild. Whether they are grazing on grass, swimming in rivers, or simply lounging in the sun, capybaras are a unique and captivating part of the animal kingdom. Capybaras are often compared to dogs, and for good reason. They are incredibly social animals living in large groups called herds. These herds can consist of anywhere from a dozen to over 100 individuals. Within these groups, capybaras exhibit a range of friendly behaviors, from grooming each other to playing in the water. They communicate with a variety of chirps, whistles, and barks, creating a symphony of sound in their wetland homes. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals, which means they spend a lot of time in the water. They are well suited for this lifestyle with webbed feet that help them swim and dive. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, allowing them to stay submerged while still keeping an eye out for danger. Their preferred habitats are marshes, swamps, and grasslands near bodies of water. They are particularly fond of areas with dense vegetation, which provides them with both food and shelter. Section 5. Capybaras, around the world, South America and beyond. Capybaras are native to South America, where they are found in a variety of countries. They are particularly abundant in the Amazon rainforest, the Pantanal wetlands, and the grasslands of Venezuela and Colombia. While their natural range is limited to South America, capybaras have been introduced to other parts of the world. Small populations can now be found in Florida, where they have adapted surprisingly well to the subtropical climate. Section 6. Ranchers and rodents, capybara farming. In some South American countries, capybaras are not just wild animals, they are also farmed. This might seem unusual at first, but there are practical reasons for it. Capybara meat is considered a delicacy in some regions, and their hide is used to make leather goods. Because capybaras are herbivores and reproduce quickly, farming them is seen as a sustainable way to produce meat and leather. Section 7. Capybaras and conservation, a species in balance. Fortunately for the capybara, they are not currently considered an endangered species. Their ability to adapt to different environments, coupled with their relatively high reproductive rate, has helped them maintain stable populations. However, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment does pose a threat to their long-term survival. Conservation efforts are underway in some areas to protect their wetland habitats and ensure that these gentle giants continue to thrive. Section 8. Capybara craze, the rise of an unusual pet. Believe it or not, capybaras are becoming increasingly popular as pets. Of course, owning a capybara is not like owning a cat or a dog. They require a lot of space, access to water for swimming, and a specialized diet. However, for those who can provide for their needs, capybaras can make surprisingly affectionate and even-tempered companions. Section 9. A captivating creature, the enduring appeal of the capybara. The capybara is a truly captivating creature. Native to South America, these semi-aquatic mammals are the largest rodents in the world. They can weigh up to 140 pounds and grow to be about 4 feet long. Despite their size, they are known for their gentle and social nature, often seen lounging in groups near water bodies. Its unique combination of size, gentleness, and adaptability has made it a beloved animal around the world. Capybaras are highly social animals, living in groups that can range from a few individuals to as many as 100 during the dry season. Their social structure is complex, with a dominant male leading the group, and they communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including purrs, barks, whistles, and clicks. Whether you encounter one in the wild or marvel at its placid nature in a zoo, the capybara is an animal that is sure to leave a lasting impression. In the wild, they are often found near rivers, lakes, and marshes, where they graze on grasses and aquatic plants. In captivity, they adapt well to human interaction, often becoming a favorite among zoo visitors for their calm demeanor and approachable nature. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating rodent, we can only hope that future generations will have the opportunity to share the planet with these gentle giants. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their habitats are protected from deforestation and human encroachment. By understanding and appreciating the capybara, we can foster a greater sense of responsibility towards preserving the natural world and its diverse inhabitants.